Hello and welcome back to my video about PHP. In this video I will speak about types, and the first type we want to learn about is the boolean. If you're coming from Python or you're coming from C and other language like that, you know what the boolean is. It could be a true and false. If you don't have working with any language before and PHP is your first one, that's meaning if you translate it to numbers, so it's easier for you to understand. That's meaning true is equal to 1 and false is equal to 0. But we have the boolean type here in PHP, and we can make a variable. Don't think so much about it because I will speak about if and variables later, but I need to show this for you. So we can say var is false, whoops, and if we make a if statement here, and we can say here echo it's false, whoops, it's true, and else it's is false. And if I run this in my browser, you can see it here. It's var is false because that's what we have to type it to. If I change it to true, run again, then say we are in true, and that's what you're working with in true and false in PHP, and it's not so much more than this. And so this is a very quick video about boolean in PHP. Thank you for your time, hope you enjoy. If you have any questions about boolean and what you can use it for, then make a comments below and I'll try to answer them. And of course, I hope you want to subscribe my channel, to press on the thing below in the right corner, and I hope you want to share this video with your friends and add it for your playlist so you remember to the later use. And I hope you see you next time, and thank you so much for your time and your subscription. See ya.